Hello dear friends, welcome to FinShappy. I am Ram, I am a CFA charter holder. Today in this session we are going to discuss how to open Angel Broking Demat account in a step-by-step process. I am recommending Angel Broking because they entered recently into discount brokerage. So they charge only 20 rupees per order, either it is intraday or F&O. For investors who buy and hold stocks, for them they need not pay any brokerage at all. And Angel Broking is there in the industry more than 30 years and they are very credible brokers. So these are the reasons why I am recommending Angel Broking also for Demat account. First I will tell you what are the documents required. You can save those documents in your computer or laptop, or if you are opening your Demat account using mobile, you can save them in your mobile. Process will be same for both laptop and mobile. Now let us start Angel Broking account opening process. Now come to required documents. Take photograph of these documents. First one, PAN card front side photograph, signature photo, Aadhaar card front and back side photo, and your passport size photograph. You need to keep these 4 documents in a photograph either in your mobile phone or your laptop. Come to optional requirements. When you wanted to do F&O, you are required to submit income proof such as bank statement or pay slip or ITR acknowledgement or form 16. Any of these you can upload as a income proof. Come to other requirements. You need to keep handy of your bank account number and bank IFSC code. You need to keep all this information handy before opening your account. Now let us move and open Angel Broking account. When you are opening with mobile, click on this drop down and click on this link. It will go to Angel Broking account opening page. When you are doing with laptop, click on this link which is given in the description of this video. It will go to Angel Broking account opening page. Here give your full name. Even if it is not taking full name, you need not worry. Based on your PAN records, it will take your name. And in the second box, give your mobile number, and in the third box, give your city. You will get OTP to your mobile number. Enter that OTP in the fourth box. I am entering my OTP. After that, click on open an account. It will go to second step. In the second step, there are 3 boxes. In the first box, give your date of birth as per your PAN, and in the second box, give your PAN number, and in the third box, give your email. Upon giving email, there are 2 more boxes will open here. In the next box, in the fourth box, give your bank account number. In the fifth box, give bank IFSC code and click on search. One pop-up window will open. Give your bank name there and branch of that bank and click on search. Bank address will populate here. Check that address and click on insert and click on proceed. You will move to next step, third step, where you need to share your KYC details. If your mobile number is linked to Aadhaar, you can complete your account opening process easily by sharing your Aadhaar details with DigiLocker. Otherwise, you need to click on the below option. So I am using DigiLocker to share my KYC details. Share your KYC details. Click on that and give Aadhaar number here, 4 digits in one box. Click on next. You will get OTP from Aadhaar. Enter that OTP and click on continue. Click on continue. You will reach this page where you need to allow DigiLocker to share your Aadhaar details with Angel Broking. That step will complete. You will reach to fourth step where you need to share your personal details. You need to select your annual income in ranges like 1 to 5 lakhs, 5 to 10 lakhs, like that. And you need to select your occupation. Your father first name and last name will populate here based on your PAN. Click on continue. You will reach to next step, fifth step, where we need to upload few documents which you already saved in your mobile or laptop. You need to upload your PAN first. Upload PAN card. We can preview that PAN card here and then upload your signature here. And then upload your bank statement here if you wanted to do FNO. As I already said, I am uploading bank statement here. Click on proceed. This is e-signing step. You need to do NSDL e-sign here by giving your Aadhaar details. You need to click on terms and conditions first, and then in this box give your Aadhaar number. Click on send OTP after giving your Aadhaar number. You will get OTP from Aadhaar to your registered mobile as well as your registered email. You check that OTP and enter here and click on verify OTP. With this step, your account opening process is completed except one step, last step. This is in-person verification. Click on start recording, which is given in the blue color. You can complete this step using your laptop, or you can also send the mobile link. You will get SMS like this. On that SMS, you will have a link. When you click on link, by using that link also you can complete your in-person verification like this, how I am showing. You need to show your PAN card and record 10 seconds and complete that step. And then when you click on submit on that step, you will reach to this page. Congratulations, your application is successfully completed. When you reach this step, your Angel Broking account opening process is completed. Hope this session is useful for you to open your Demat account. While opening your Demat account, please use the link which is given in this description of this video. Thank you so much, friends. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. Thank you.